Darkman Doll here. Today I want to do a show for Freeform Dreadlock Talk. Freeform Dreadlock Talk is a show where I share with you my adventures with having freeform dreadlocks thus far for over 23 years. I think it'll be 24 years coming up in July. So, I wanted to talk to you guys about what I recently did to my hair. I did a treatment of baking soda and lemon juice on my hair, and I left it on for an hour. I was trying to do a deep cleansing to get whatever is in my dreads out. So yeah, I used lemon juice and baking soda and I left it on for an hour. So as you can see, it's way light. You could see it better in the sunlight, but let me show you. Can you see that? Yeah, getting a little closer to the light. But yeah, it got a lot, it like turned really blonde right in this area. This is where all the I got a bunch of new growth. I got new growth everywhere, but it's all curly and stuff. But some new growth, loose new growth. And then the front, it got really, like a really bright, almost blondish color, brassy. The rest of it kind of got red. Like underneath, you could see it's kind of reddish colored underneath it. But, needless to say, yeah, I ended up dyeing my hair unintentionally. Do I recommend this? Well, what happened was it made my hair feel really soft after I finished with the baking soda and lemon juice. I made it into a paste, baking soda and lemon juice into a paste, and I applied it to each of my dreads. And I put plastic around it, put saran wrap around my head, and then I went about my day and just doing my chores around the house. And my apartment complex gets really warm because it's just humid here and everything. So yeah, I had a lot of humidity and warmth inside of that saran wrap. So after I rinsed it out, somebody was passing by my window. After I rinsed it out, this is the result. I could probably get into the in my bathroom where I have a better mirror so you can see it. So hold on just a second. Don't mind the noise on that because I live in an apartment complex where every bathroom has a fan automatically. When you turn on the light, a fan comes on. So that's why it's going to be loud. So just one moment. Okay, hopefully that gives you an idea what's going on with the color of my dreads. So I just wanted to do a video so you guys know what's going on with my dreads, so I'm just, you don't just see me doing a video about something else and then you go, wow, what happened? Why are your dreads this color? That's why. It's because of that treatment I did. What I made sure I did too after that treatment, because I was afraid that it may be too drying, so afterwards what I did was I just put a bunch of, rubbed in my hands and put a bunch of this olive oil onto my hair and scalp. And my hair feels really nice and soft. That's the thing is when I finished the treatment, I rinsed it out with warm water. And my hair felt really soft. It didn't feel damaged or fried. No hair was falling out or anything. It just felt really soft. So I'm not telling you to do this. I'm not recommending it. I'm just letting you know that's why my hair is this color. So if you're wondering, if you do try it, be careful. I wouldn't do something like this all the time. If at the most once a month. With me, I have 4C hair, so it's low porosity, so it has a tendency to get really dry, and it can be prone to getting damaged easier than most hair types. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing this more than once a month. It works really nice. My hair felt really clean afterwards. Definitely felt extremely clean. So just letting you guys know, that's why my hair looks like this different color. So if you see me in other videos, that's why. I did this treatment on it, and yeah, I left it on for a whole hour. So but yeah, it worked for me, but I'm not saying it's going to work for everybody. I was out in the sun as well, too, so the sun has that effect on, like, if you have anything that's acidic, like lemon juice, vinegar, mixed with baking soda. If you put that on your hair and you have extra heat from the sun, it's going to bleach it. So if you wanted to know, that's what's going to happen. I didn't intend on that to happen. I just got really busy and caught up in what I was doing. But even though my hair is a lighter color, it still feels really soft, and it still feels really well conditioned and very moist and very, actually it's wet, it's kind of damp right now because I just got out of the shower. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm doing, and it didn't damage my hair at all. My hair is not damaged at all. I guess that's another option for people who want to lift the color off of their hair. I'm not advising people to do that because it can be very damaging and drying. So if you do decide to do this process, definitely make sure that you do some sort of deep conditioning, or at least have some sort of water and oil mixture to spray on your hair to keep it from breaking, from any breakage happening. And remember also, it all starts with what you're putting inside of your body. So let's try to put as many nutrients as we can inside of our body, and drink enough really good like teas, herbal teas, and lots of water, and nutritive things to go into our body, so that we feel good on the inside and it'll show on the outside. So with that said, thanks for joining me. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the likes and shares, and thank you for your kind comments. Leave your comments down below and let me know if you've tried this similar thing. My intention wasn't to dye my hair. I was just trying to do something different, a deep cleansing differently on my hair, and this was the end result. But yeah, it hasn't damaged it at all. And I've been taking really good care of my hair, and I hope that you are too, and I hope you're enjoying your freeform dreadlock journey. So, brightest blessings to you all, and if you'd like to subscribe to this channel, please do. If you'd like to donate to my channel, you can go to my PayPal or my Google Pay, and in exchange for your donation, I can create a video of your choosing on whatever topic you choose on here to show my appreciation. And also, if you like, instead, I can create a one-of-a-kind piece of artwork to show my appreciation for your donation. So thank you, everyone, and all. Enjoy the journey. Brightest blessings to you all, and stay creative. And I'll see you soon.